Hello there, this is Austin Miller with the Kuna team. I'm glad to see that you've made the right choice when it comes to automating your Epicor ERP tasks. In this 3-minute video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get started automating with Kuna. If you haven't already, make sure you've signed up for an account at erpkuna.com. After you've signed up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. From our dashboard, the first step is to create your first ERP connection. Let's click the New ERP Connection button. This will take us to the New ERP Connection form where Kuna will ask us for some information. For this example, I will name our connection Epicor Dev. The ERP instance endpoint should be a publicly accessible URL to the REST endpoints of Epicor. Then let's provide the username and password that Kuna can use to access the Epicor services. Kuna encrypts your credentials both in transit and in storage to keep them secure. Lastly, make sure to give the user account in Epicor the appropriate permissions for each service. Then we'll click Save. Kuna will now try connecting to your Epicor instance. If successful, you should be redirected to the ERP connection page. The next step is to create a new service. We can do that by clicking the Create and Connect button below the ERP details. This will take us to the Create New Service page where we can select what kind of service we would like to create. Let's click the Exchange Rate service. The Exchange Rate service will push up-to-date exchange rates from credible sources to our Epicor ERP. Not only does it help save me time, but it also eliminates errors and saves our company money. After we create the service, Kuna will take us to the Configuration Wizard. On the Configuration Wizard page, let's name this service and configure the ERP connection we want to use. For this example, I will name our service ECB Exchange Rate and connect it to the Epicor Dev connection we just created. Click Next. I'll also need to configure a couple of Epicor parameters and the schedule I would like the rates to be imported on. Click Next. Then let's specify that we want rates from the European Central Bank. Click Next. Then we'll need to specify the currencies we want. The currencies should be currencies that exist in your Epicor ERP. For this example, I will select Euros, the Canadian dollar, and the US dollar. Click Next. Lastly, we can specify an email where Kuna can send a notification after the rates are imported. I'll put my own email and then click Finish. That's it. You've successfully created your first service. It will run automatically via the schedule you've configured. If you want to try it now, click the Run button in the upper right-hand corner to run it manually. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please reach out to us using the Feedback button in the upper right-hand corner. We'd be happy to help you with any Kuna or Epicor support.